good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Braids by Nat. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do these 4 simple braids on my baby boy's head. So yes, I know his hair is already braided, but what we'll do is that we'll wash his hair in a bathtub, and when we'll get out, we'll take a braid down and do it over. This is the only way I can easily manage his hair because he is extra tender-headed. Throughout the video, you guys will see him scratching the back of his head, and his face is pretty red, and this is due to an unfortunate allergic reaction. Again, my son is extra tender-headed, so his braids won't be the best looking braids, and this is because I don't want to braid it too tight, and he can get bumps around the perimeter of the braids and the ends of the braid. So yeah, you guys let me know down below any suggestions on what I should do to his head next. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.